soul, lost in waves, never whole. Salt and tears blend in the air, aching heart, love we dare. Tides roll in the moon's cold glance, memories break into a trance. Shipwrecked hearts on endless shores, love me now like before. In the waves we find our end, love so fierce it will bend. Crash the rocks, soft embrace, in your arms I find my place. Stars above whisper low, secrets of what we could know. Every wave a heartbeat gone, longing for the breaking dawn. Currents pull but I hold tight, through the storm endless night. Love's a ship we won't lose, navigate the storm, choose. Distant horizon dark and wide, fear and hope side by side. In the tempest here we stand, hearts as one reach for land. In the waves we find our end, love so fierce it will bend. Crash the rocks, soft embrace, in your arms I find my place. In the waves we find our end, love so fierce it will bend. Crash the rocks, soft embrace, in your arms I find my place. I find my place. In the waves we find our end, love so fierce it will bend. Crash the rocks, soft embrace, in your arms I find my place. Stars above whisper low, secrets of what we could know. Every wave a heartbeat gone, longing for the breaking dawn. Currents pull but I hold tight, through the storm endless night. Love's a ship we won't lose, navigate the storm, choose. Distant horizon dark and wide, fear and hope side by side. In the